Have you ever wondered why some men are graying around here, but not on their hair as much, or not even at all on their head, but around the jaws, they are graying? If you know a man that is graying like this, tag him in the comments. There's a comment section here if you're watching from TikTok or below this place. If you know somebody that is having that on WhatsApp, click the share button to share. And if you're watching my video for the first time, click this plus sign to follow me. Go to my page and then watch a lot. If you're not watching from TikTok, look at my name here. Go and search for me on TikTok, the biggest account there. The problem is toothpaste. Toothpaste, I'll show you something, right? Almost all toothpastes, many of them contain this particular chemical called hydrogen peroxide. And this chemical is known to bleach something, okay? So when they add it, they are basically trying to make your teeth whiter and prevent plaques from forming, okay? Hydrogen peroxide builds up in the hair follicle, okay? So now, but the thing is that when it touches your hair follicles, it gradually discolors the hair, all right? Now imagine somebody that's brushing their teeth. A lot of things are sprinkling there. You see? It's sprinkling on your beard. Now let's look back at, follow the pattern. Can you see? Follow the pattern. Can you see? Sprinkling. And then when you put all this hydrogen peroxide in your mouth, gradually it starts soaking into your gums and gradually starts spreading. Eventually it will discolor all this. If you don't know how fast things can move when they touch you, do you know that if you get a piece of garlic, all right, and touch it on your feet, okay, maybe step on it, within a few hours you start tasting it in your tongue. Garlic will be tasting in your tongue just because it touched your leg. That's how fast it moves within your bloodstream. Anything that touches your skin gets into your bloodstream. So even if it doesn't touch your bed directly, it will eventually seep in. Let me show you. So this is confirmation that if it touches your body, it can cause gray hair. Okay? Go and read more. See? Some toothpaste contain hydrogen peroxide, a bleaching agent that can help whiten teeth and remove stains. Okay? Some contains 0.1%, especially in UK, but then look at this. In some countries, it's unregulated, like in South Korea, it can contain up to 3%. Up to 3%. Now you know why most of them like to shave their beards. It's white. Now take your toothpaste and check the container, whether it contains hydrogen peroxide. If it contains it and you're a man, you just drop it gingerly. So the question is what do you use? I'm gonna tell you, but let's watch. So hydrogen peroxide is not the only thing contained in toothpaste. There's another chemical called baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate. It is a common ingredient in many toothpaste. Baking soda is a cleaning agent that can help in remove plaque and surface stains and create an alkaline environment in your mouth that can hinder bacterial growth. Do you know you can get this directly? This one doesn't cause your beds to be white. So you can get this directly and use it. So as hydrogen peroxide builds in your body, normally when you're younger, your body is able to break them down, all right? But as you get older, your body starts losing this ability to break them down, and then your hair starts turning gray. You can read about it here. But a key thing I want to show you here is glutathione, okay? An intracellular enzyme that breaks down hydrogen peroxide into water, mainly in the mitochondria, its activity often depends on selenium, a micronutrient cofactor. Now, once you start losing your body starts losing the ability to break down this, your hairs will start discoloring gradually. Now, there are glutathione supplements, but there's a question on whether they work, all right? Glutathione is an antioxidant that the liver naturally produces, but levels can decrease due to aging, stress, and liver disease. You see, if your liver is not functioning well, if you're aging and you're stressed, that's why if you're having gray hair, you should be alarmed. You should go to hospital, scan your liver, scan your heart, check for prostate. Some of these diseases are associated with teeth. It doesn't mean you have it. It doesn't mean that everybody that is gray has it, but it's a warning that you should at least go and check for your health rather than waiting to fully break down before you know. Low glutathione levels can affect hair growth, cause premature age graying. So some people will come and say that they started graying at the age of 9, at the age of 20, therefore it's normal. It's not normal. You're supposed to gray at old age, 60, 70, 80. That's when gray hair is supposed to start. If you start early, you should check your body. Some say that glutathione supplements can help prevent gray hair growth. Some. And others say that glutathione plays a role in the depigmenting of the hair follicles. Two things, okay? However, as of June 2024, this platform says that there is no effective treatment that can reverse or prevent gray hair. Well, that's how they say that you can't regrow your baldness, but I did mine. This was me before I created my homemade oil that I call Abido Shaker. Then I use it to regrow my hair. My hair is not fully grown yet. This is 5 months into growing the hair, but as you can see, there's a big difference. Let me show you how it looked like in the 3rd month. This is me in the 3rd month. As you can see, my edges are not there, so receded. You can't believe it's the same person. Look at from my ear straight. Can you notice that this whole thing appeared newly? Okay. Some people are even saying I did a hair transplant. This was me in the 3rd month. There's more hair on the side than on the front, but now they are evening out. So just like that, you can reverse your gray hair. Your body knows how to heal itself. Once your liver is in the perfect condition, gets what it needs in terms of supplements, your hair will start being restored. Also, you need to apply oil. This oil does not just grow your hair. It has ingredients that it's aimed at providing your hair the nutrients to repigment itself and return its color. All right. So when you chat me up in my inbox, I'll give you the list of ingredients I used to create this. You create this oil at home and then you apply it over 3 to 6 months. You'll see a very huge difference. I'm in my 5th month, okay, and I'm already seeing this. See my hair well restored so far, but it's not free. I'm not gonna, the recipe is not free, so don't come and chat me up looking for something free. It's not free. But if you chat me up, I'll get you the recipe and then you can make it at home. If you're in Nigeria, there are a lot of people selling the list of the whole recipes online, so I can always connect you to 1 or 2 of them that are online, that they will just package everything and ship to you. You mix it at home. Also, in the document that comes with this, links to order this thing online globally. If you're anywhere in the world, links to order the ingredients on Amazon is there. It's also common ingredients that are used for cooking. So this thing, as it is now, it is edible. Everything here can be taken. In fact, let me say 90% of them are directly added to food when people cook. Okay. So, and this that brings me to the other point of one of the reasons why people start losing hair and graying out, because they no longer eat natural foods. They eat processed foods that no longer have some of those ingredients that we use to cook. Many people have left the traditional foods. So when you get it, you will see a very big change. If I showed you my picture from 5 months ago, you won't even believe it's the same person. Make sure you chat me up, inbox me, then I'll give you the recipe. Now, if you have more things you believe causes gray hair, which I've listed in other videos, I listed about 12 things. But if you have more, please click the comment section and drop a comment. I hope you have shared this video. Somebody in your group needs to see it. Your WhatsApp group, your Facebook group needs to see it. Click the share button to share.